Hi, this is Jashwant. Today we are going to discuss our next topic, that is discovery of electron, proton, neutron. First, let us discuss discovery of electrons. The relationship between matter and electricity was first indicated by frictional electricity by rubbing glass with silk. You remember that we have previously discussed that by rubbing silk cloth with a glass, it produces electricity indicated by frictional electricity. That's why. In 1830, Michael Faraday has given quantitative relationship between matter and electricity by passing 1 Faraday. 1 Faraday or 96,500 coulombs. What he said that Michael Faraday is a scientist. In 1830, he has given quantitative relation between matter and electricity by passing 1 Faraday means 96,500 coulombs through the molten NaCl of 1 mole. 1 mole NaCl is produced of molten NaCl. He produced 1 Faraday. He observed that 1 mole of Na at cathode. At the place of cathode, there is 1 mole of sodium. From this, he concluded that electricity is made up of atoms of electricity. From this experiment, he has said that electricity is made up of atoms of electricity. Means in gold atoms, atoms are made up of gold, like that. G.J. Stoney named electron for atoms of electricity. Atoms of electricity means he given name for atoms of electricity. He given one name like electrons. Next point. William Crookes studied the conduction of electricity through gases by using discharge tube experiment. This is the discharge tube experiment. What he done here? He has taken a discharge tube and he kept the cathode anode. Here is a high voltage generator and this is the air pressure at very low pressure. This is cathode means negative and here is the anode. This is the positive. This is the vacuum pump and he has done here the discharge tube experiment. And what he has done, what is the process? At 10 power minus 2 atmosphere pressure to 10 power minus 4 atmosphere or 0.01 millimeter Hg means hydrogerium, platinum, mercury, 1000 volts. It is observed that light is emitted from the gases. He observed that some light means light is emitted from the gases. Color depends on the nature of gas. Means how he took, what type of gas he took, the color comes like that. Next point. Crookes. Don't think another one, he is only William Crookes. Observe that rays were found to pass from negatively charged particles to positively charged particles. Negatively charged particles means cathode, which is this side, we saw there, and anode this side. We observe that the rays were going from cathode to anode. The rays emitted from cathode rays are called cathode rays. Is it right or not? From cathode means cathode rays. Next, properties of cathode rays. The cathode rays are invisible to our eyes, but we can observe behavior of cathode rays using phosphorant or fluorescent materials, means zinc sulfide. What here he said that cathode rays we can't see with our naked eyes, but we can observe behavior of cathode rays by using of the phosphorant or fluorescent materials. The same materials is used in TV screen. Let us see. This is cathode means negatively charged particles. This is an perforated anode, positively charged particle. This is a magnet, north pole, south pole. Electrical field, electrically charged particle. Here, this is the volts and this is the negative charge, this is the positive charge. Means the same materials here said that used in TV screen, how they work, how is the TV is made, what is the technology that we can observe here, how the light comes on the screen, how we can see movies or anything we can see in the TV by projecting or by doing something. This is the process how it is made. Next one, absence of electric field and magnetic field. Cathode rays travels in straight line. If electric field and magnetic fields they are not there, then cathode rays go in straight lines. Next one, the presence of electric or magnetic field. The cathode rays are deflected towards the charge, which indicates cathode rays contain negative charge. Means what? When electric field and magnetic field are present, then cathode rays reflect towards negative charge. Means cathode rays, what we saw, it go towards anode. Next one, negative charged particles are called electrons. We know that electrons are called universal particles. Cathode is independent of nature of gas and electrode materials. This is because electrons are universal particles. In presence of electric field, they deflect towards anode, positive. And in magnetic field, I am representing EF and MF like electric field and magnetic field towards south pole. Next one, specific charge of electron means E by M, mass of electron. For electron means charge of electron by mass of electron. What is charge of electron? If you don't know, that is 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs divided by 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. That is equals to 1.758 into 10 power 11 coulomb per kg, or 1.758 into 10 power 8 coulomb per gram. Mass of electron in AMU. If we turn this mass into AMU, we get 0.000548 AMU. How we represent? By using mass of proton, hydrogen, neutron. Mass of electron is equals to 1 by 1836 into mass of proton. Mass of electron is equals to 1 by 1837 into mass of hydrogen. Mass of electron is equals to 1 by 1839 into mass of neutrons. By this we can know which is greater or which is lower in their masses by seeing of the division of the 1836, 1837, 18. It is increasing by 1 point and 2 points. Like that we can understand. Next point, the discovery of proton. Proton is also known as anode rays or cannon rays. The idea of matter is electrically neutral. Given idea of the particles P. What has given the idea? We know that the matter is electrically neutron. This has given the idea of discovering the positive particles. Next point, proton was discovered by Goldstein by modified discharge tube. Proton, who discovered it? It was discovered by Goldstein by modified discharge tube. What is modified discharge tube? Modified discharge tube means in the place of perforated anode, there will be perforated cathode. Perforated in place of, or else perforated cathode in place, there will be perforated anode. That's it. And the ZNS screen is coated behind the perforated cathode. Next one, anode rays was passed through the holes of cannon rays. What here it said that in the modified discharge tube, at the holes of cannon rays, the anode rays was passed through them. Properties, they travel in opposite direction. To whom? The anode rays travel in opposite direction of cathode. Understand? And the next one, deflected towards negative charge. Negative charge means cathode. Next point, E by M ratio of protons is maximum. Maximum means higher at the point when the H2 gas is present in cathode. When H2 gas is present in cathode, then the E by M ratio of proton is maximum. But if gas is taken in low pressure, discharge tube is in ionized gas. When you take hydrogen, it is maximum, but the gas is in low pressure means there will be ionized gas. Now, last one, discovery of neutron. Why neutron has been discussed? Let us see. Here they had added beryllium, helium. It given carbon plus. what to add it. Means don't see the elements now. See that upper numbers means masses. We know that. This is X element. Okay. This is atomic number Z, and this is mass number A. In this formula it is there. Now 9 plus 4 13 12, and here it is given 1, and it is balanced now 13. Here 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 0 6. Okay, and we can represent it in another way. 11 plus 4 15, 14 plus 1 15, 5 plus 2 7, and here 7. Means don't see the elements. I am saying it again. Don't see the elements. See the masses. Here it has 0 charge. I mean 0 atomic number, no atomic number. And now next point. Q of n means, Q means charge of neutron equals to 0. Specific charge is equals to 0 because E by m. Now Q of n is equals to 0. 0 by something, it's 0. And mass of neutron is equals to, I have said you near mass of electron. Mass of neutron is equals to 1839 into mass of electron. If we do the cross product, and mass of neutron greater than or equals to mass of proton, and mass of proton greater than mass of electron. And let us revise. Leaving the theory and the properties, what are the numerical values we have discussed in the discovery of electron, proton, neutron? Let us see now. First, this is properties. Nature, absolute charge, relative charge, absolute mass, relative mass, discovery, E by m, that is known as specific charge. First, for electron, what is the nature? Negative. And absolute charge, minus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs, or in the units of ESU, minus 4.8 into 10 power minus 10 ESU. Relative charge, minus 1 units. And absolute mass, 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg, or 9.1 into 10 power minus 21 grams. One second. Yeah. Relative mass, 0.000548 AMU. We have to remember it. Discovery, who discovered electron? We know that, J. Thomson. E by m, what is the specific charge? We have derived it. 1.758 into 10 power 11 coulomb per kg, or 1.758 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb per gram, because 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Next, proton. What is its nature? Positive. Here, to remember the mass charges of electron and proton, you should learn even one of either you have to remember charges of electron or proton, because this is negative, this is positive. If you remember even one charge, if you remember electron, then we have to write here positive. We can see magnitudes are same, but their nature is different. Means negative nature or positive nature, that is different. See, we can see here also minus 1 plus 1. You can't relate it to the masses. Here, different masses, we can't even relate them. 1.673 into 10 power minus 27 kg, or 1.673 into 10 power minus 21 grams. Next one, 1.0072 AMU, discovered by Goldstein. And what is the G by M ratio or specific charge? If we derive it, 9.5 into 10 power 7 coulomb per kg, or 9.5 into 10 power 4, because 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, coulomb per gram. And next one, neutron. What is its nature? Neutral. And absolute charge, 0. It has no charge. Relative charge, 0 units. And absolute mass, 1.675 into 10 power minus 21 kg, and or 1.675 into 10 power minus 24 grams. And relative mass, 1.0086 AMU. This is the value of mass in AMU units. Who discovered it? It was discovered by James Chadwick. And next, E by M, specific charge. The charge is 0, and mass 9.5 into 10 power, 1.675 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Whatever the mass, when we divide it with the 0 with any number, we get 0. So this is what the numerical values we have discovered. And finally today we have discussed that what is an electron, who has discovered it, why it has been discovered, and what are its properties, and as well as for protons and neutrons. Thank you.